What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
I did Daddy's son. Daddy's son.
Yeah.
Kick Talk. And today we're kick talking about
A shoe I've been excited to get my hands on, and it is the Nike SB Dunk Low Run the Jewels.
Oh,
and
Lord.
man, before we get into this box, if it's their first time here, Nigel, what should they do?
If it's your first time here, Daddy C's channel is world renowned as a car channel that explores shoes, and every single one of our viewers, if you in the C Squad, you know that the notification bell is rung so that everybody gets notified when we drop. So if it's your first time here, do that. Now you're part of the C Squad.
There you go. That's a message from our nice little son, Nigel. There we go.
That's Trey.
All right, that's me. All right, so,
That's Daddy
and if
C.
you've been here before, Trey, Daddy C, that's all me.
Right.
If you've been here before, you back rocking with us, thank you so much.
Appreciate you.
We almost knocking on the door right now, 4,000 and on 5 and so on and so
4K.
forth. That's right. So make sure you sub, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And now that that's out of the way, we're going to get into this box. This is a shoe, so like the sneaker cycle slowed down a little bit in like June, July. And a lot of people took a little break. You know, it was nice. You know, it was like, it wasn't drops every day and every other day. And you had a chance to maybe go back and catch something that you missed. And by way of my sneaker homies, my homegirl Destiny, they're looking out, connected me with somebody selling these. So got my hands on a nicely priced pair of the Nike SB Dunk Run the Jewels.
Yeah.
Ooh, I love these. And we're going to talk about this shoe. And this is a shoe that's been out for a while. I mean, it dropped on 420, which is Killer Mike. If you're familiar with Run the Jewels, the rap group duo, Killer Mike and LP make up the group. Killer Mike is based out of Atlanta. LP is based out of Brooklyn, I believe. They came together. Killer Mike was a part of like Outkast and their whole Dungeon family.
He was.
Yeah, he was. If you listen to, go back on to the Aquemini album. Killer Mike came on when he first started rapping. He was on Aquemini album, which is a dope Outkast album. If y'all Outkast fans out there, let me know down in the comments. That's one, man. That's a classic. Like, you need to, yeah. Okay.
It's hard.
Yeah, he's got some dope songs on
And
there.
Aliens too. I like that one more.
More?
I don't really know. It's Outkast.
They all, I mean,
I'm not really that in depth.
They're all really good. I mean, all really good.
Right.
Aquemini might be my top. Maybe AT Aliens is close though. But anyway, that was then. They based the shoe. They did the low. They also did a high. And the high is like black and it has like Run the Jewels 3 and Run the Jewels 4.
Ah.
Yeah. One album is like,
covers.
yeah, the covers. Like one is blue and one is like that bright pink.
So what is this?
So this
cover?
is like a combination, right? So it's got the pink swoosh and then you got some different blue hues on the shoe.
That's tough.
Yeah, so again, this shoe's been around since it dropped in April. You've probably seen a bunch of reviews on it. I don't know if you have, but you haven't gotten our take.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I swear we have literally reviewed this shoe before.
We have not.
Have we not seen this shoe before?
No.
Were we reviewing like upcoming shoes and this was just one of them?
Probably. Like what's coming.
Yeah, but I feel like I've literally physically held this shoe before.
I mean, it's been here sitting. I haven't worn it yet. Maybe you saw it in the box.
Maybe that's it, yeah.
We do live here. The shoes
I'm
were
getting
here.
deja vu. I'm sorry, y'all.
It's all right, y'all. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right.
Yeah.
So the shoe itself, man, again, Killer Mike, LP, they collaborated with Nike SB. So this is dope for a music group to get, a collab on a sneaker. They're big into the music scene. They're big into, I think it was Behind the Design, where they were showing them with the Nike SB design team, putting the shoes together and doing those types of things. And yeah, and this is, just one, man, that just looks really good to me. I love the overall, it's suede and nubuck pretty much all over the shoe. You got leather on the back.
Right.
And you got the nice padded leather tongue.
And the outsole.
Yeah.
Am I tripping or is it higher than it usually is on Dunks? Am I just getting a lot of like confusing messages right now?
Yeah, you just got.
I don't know. I might be tripping.
It's the same.
Yeah, okay.
It's the same.
I'm sorry for my confusion, y'all.
It's all right.
Anyway, so the outsole, you see that they put like this text, Run the Jewels, all over it.
All throughout, right?
Yeah, and is that, I've never really listened to Run the Jewels. Is that their logo that's on here?
Yeah, I mean, that's just their script, kind of the way they'll
like write their name on stuff.
Yeah, like on their albums and things like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
But you'll see like part of what their logo looks like on the insole. So we'll get into the insole. Regular, the collar area, and then here, this is like a soft kind of just terry cotton, terry cloth kind of thing. suede everywhere else. Nubuck on the swoosh. You got that fuchsia swoosh, and they bring in the color, like I said, from the other album, pairing it up with the blue. But the insole, I really like. Check the insoles out in these.
All right. Oh, and we got a couple laces too. So
Yeah, there you
got
go. The light blue here.
literally 3 different shades of blue. Yeah, light blue,
Boom.
or darker blue, or actually dark blue. Oh,
So,
which matches this?
the 3 shades on the shoe.
Oh,
Yeah.
shoot. Yo,
That's pretty slick.
that's hard.
Yeah. So
I didn't even peep. It's all 3 shades on the shoe. That's tough.
if you pop out the insole, you know, the typical Nike SB insole, you got your zoom pouch and your memory foam, obviously. But also, so they've got, this one says Jaimali 2010 for 2010, and that's LP. That's like his family. I think this is when he got married.
420, 2010.
Yeah.
And Killer Mike's birthday
Yeah.
is 420, 1975.
Yep. Killer Mike. So yeah, and he's dropped on 420.
Dang.
That's his birthday, and then again, this is this dude's anniversary, so that's pretty wild. And then it also has their logos. So the album logo, they got one that's like a fist, and one that's like the pistol. So if you look, you see that?
Ah.
Yeah, you can put them
The
together.
finger pistol.
Yeah. So that's
Oh,
all,
is that? I swear I've seen that before. Is it
Yeah.
like they be doing this or something?
they separate it, but they're like kind of across from each other. It's like you got the
Right, they be doing
on
like
the album.
this.
You got,
I've seen that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Tough.
So like I know on the highs they have the actual like charms on the shoe. Like one has like the gold fist, and one has the gold like finger
Got
gun.
these charms.
Yeah, like
tough.
they go on the laces. It's a small like little gold on the pink fuchsia. Yeah, to run the jewels high.
I feel like that would be tough. Like some pink, fuchsia, black shoes,
And
and
they
you
got
got
like
like
gold accent piece.
And this, he's saying it's a charm. This looks like a.
I mean, that's
like
just an inscription, like a
Right, but I'm
picture.
saying like they turned this,
Yeah.
which looks like a diamond or something.
Right.
And they
It's like
turned that into a charm. That's
prism,
hard.
like yeah.
Right.
It's like a gold one. The insoles are nice. This is just like some felt material, really nice. Yeah, I was a big fan of these when they dropped. So they had like Nike did a different technology for these to really alleviate, to get away from the bots and all those things, where you actually had to have there was a picture you had to find online, and it was like Run the Jewels with the shoe, and you had to take a picture with your phone to scan it, and then it would open up. You had to scratch it or something. I can't remember.
Wow.
I tried, and once I got through, it was too late and they were gone.
Dang.
But you had to go to the picture with one phone or on the computer screen, hold your phone at it, then something opened up, and then you could get in and get to the shoe to check out. So they did that because bots can't do that. Yeah,
Right.
exactly. But I mean, anything Nike can do, anything they can do to keep out, the bots is great.
And you having fun because you get to play a little game before you get your shoes.
True. But then I was let down.
Right.
But I was able to circle back
But
again.
you played the game. So
I did play the
did
game.
have fun.
I had an experience.
Exactly.
You're
So
right.
it's okay.
And I was like, wow, that was a really cool experience. However, I didn't hit on the shoe. So then I was a little
That's
upset.
what they trying to do. They like, now you're not sad anymore, so you can keep getting more shoes. So we can
Right.
keep making bread off you.
Because the next one, they'll probably bring that around again before the end of the year. We'll be like, oh, I know how to do it this time.
Right?
Right?
Go speed run through the game,
That's how they do it.
drop your bread on the shoe.
And then say, I won.
Yeah.
Did I really win or did I spend my money? Nike won. Yeah, exactly. Tomato, tomato. But anyway, that's the game. That's
Yeah.
sneakers, right?
Yep.
You already know my rating on these. I really wanted them. I went back to get them. What's your thoughts, dude?
Now, tell me your rating first.
My rating?
Yeah.
He's a solid 10 for me, man. I love blue. All the blues they giving me, plus the fuchsia. Run the Jewels I rock with. I listen to the music, love the music.
Yeah.
Give me what I need.
Dang. I can't, there's no flaws here.
Oh,
But
that's big. What's your thoughts?
I'm going to give it a 9
Okay.
for the sheer.
Yeah.
I think it's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't really listen to Run the Jewels, and it's like the colors and all that stuff don't really mean anything to me.
Yeah.
I think it's a hard shoe,
Mm-hmm.
but it's just not significant enough for me to give it a 10. You know what I'm
Gotcha.
saying?
You don't have any outside ties to it.
Right.
I mean, it's just, based on the album covers, I think the colors work though.
Yeah,
Like,
they
just in
kind of
general.
cooked though. They definitely did. I like
The
it.
3 different blues,
Yeah.
or this more like a purplish blue. I don't know.
I think it's all just blue.
Yeah,
blue,
I
blue,
guess
blue.
you're right. Blue on blue on blue on blue and pink.
Yeah, pink and gold.
Gold. Don't forget the gold. That's right. Gold on your Nike.
Yeah.
Gold on your tongue.
I'm gonna give it a 9. It's solid.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm with that. All right, folks. Well, let me know what you think. Did you cop these? Were these a part of your pickup? list for the year. Let me know down in the comments. Hit us online at Real Daddy Seed as well. And we will talk to you on the next one. Peace.